Hi mga kabahay, I'm Agent J from MF4 Real Estate Corporation. Welcome to The Nest Real. So tara, pasukin po natin. So the Nest Real is a high-end project of Firebird Holdings Corporation located in Barangay San Isidro, Cainta. So it's very near Marikina Town proper and yung LRT Marikina Pasig Station, bandang tropical. So for now, under construction yung road natin and yung drainage. So for the Nest Real, meron tayong water catchment basin and yung electrical cables natin is underground na rin. So yung mga offerings po namin dito is mga 3 and 4-story house on lot. So yung floor area is from 217 to 264 square meter. And then yung lot area naman po, typical lot cut is 100 square meter. So for this project, we have 67 units in total. And right now, dalawa na ang na-hold. So kung naghahanap kayo ng house on lot package, high-end, here in Marikina and Cainta area, so tamang-tama yung The Nest Real. So for more details and site viewing assistance, please contact Agent J at 0929-705-6363. Again, thank you for watching and God bless.